Here's how to use Playdate Mirror to capture or stream video from your Playdate and/or control your Playdate device with a keyboard or adaptive controller. Let's go! Let's start with capturing video. Plug your Playdate into your computer and launch Mirror. From the menu, you can disable the audio to capture video only, or choose between stereo or mono. To begin a screen capture, choose Capture Begin a Screen Capture, or just hit F6 for a handy shortcut. Mirror will capture the action happening on your Playdate screen as you play. Hit F7 to end the screen capture, or return to the menu bar and choose Capture End Screen Capture. From this menu, you can also choose Capture at 2x Zoom. This will give you a video file that's 800 by 480 pixels. Your file will save to your desktop. Here's a handy tip. You can also tap F8 or choose Capture Save Last 30 Seconds if you haven't been recording but want to grab that sweet move you just did. Want to share your Playdate adventures with an audience? First, head up to the audio in the menu bar and choose your audio settings. You can turn it off altogether or choose mono or stereo output. Then select Mirror as the window to share in your streaming app of choice, and you're ready to go. Mirror will also let you control your Playdate using your keyboard or other peripheral. From the menu bar, choose Controller to see some default options for using your keyboard, choose Game Controller, or choose Customize to set up a new custom controller however you'd like. To learn more, visit play.date.